We are team 12 and this is the lab 2. In this first question, we have to perform exploratory data analysis on any dataset like handling the null values, etc. and then apply three classification methods, naive Bayes, SVM and KNN on the given dataset. So this is the code for it. Here we are applying different methods like replacing alphabetical values with numerical values, replacing male and female with 0 and 1, and replacing all the 0 values with average values here. And then we are applying three different methods on the data, a naive Bayes, SVM and KNN, and then we are finding the score for each of them. So let's run this. When I run it, we can see here we got the male and female as 0 and 1, and we got the average score for each of them. And here we got three different scores for the different classifiers, and we find that naive Bayes is the highest, so it's the best classifier among them. So let's go to task 2. In the second task, we had to apply k-means on our dataset and visualize it using a matplotlib or seaborn, and we need to find which k is best among the with the help of elbow method. So here we are taking the dataset as sample stocks, and then we are setting the k range from 1 to 20, and we are plotting them. So when I run it, we get a plot with the elbow method. Yeah, so here is the plot which shows the elbow method, and we can see the graph is decreasing continuously as the k values increase. So the second part of the task is to evaluate the same classifier using the Silhouette score or the other scores which are relevant for the unsupervised learning approaches. And when I run the code, we can see that the Silhouette score for this question or for our given dataset is 0.7911, and we are choosing three different clusters here, which is red, green and yellow. So here this plot shows our three different classes, that is the three different clusters, red, green and yellow. So let's go to task 3. In task 3, we had to perform the different NLP techniques like lemmatization, tokenization, etc. One of the other part was to find the 10 most repeated trigrams and find all the sentences which contain them, and then extract all those sentences and concatenate them into a single array. So I have given the comments for each code. Here, this is the part which shows the sentence concatenation. When I run it, we can see that all the data set is tokenized here. These are the different tokens, and then when we run the lemmatization, we can see that it has been lemmatized. We are getting each and every value, and then here this is the main concatenated array which we were looking for, which contains all the top 10 most repeated trigrams. Now let's go to the final task. In this task, we had to perform multiple linear regression on a given data set, and then do EDA analysis and run the same multiple linear regression without and with EDA. So here you can see we have taken the advertising data, and we are performing EDA analysis like removing the null values, etc. And then when I run it, we can see that we are calculating the mean squared error and R2 score with and without EDA analysis. So here when we run it, we'll get the scores as without EDA it is 2.2, and with EDA also it is 2.2, and even the R2 score is similar, so it doesn't change much when we apply both of them. Thank you.